how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So if you want to fix your Steam Cloud Sync error, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Steam application. For opening, make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you've logged in, what you need to do is just simply go with the Steam, which is on the top left, and then click on settings. And once you click on settings here, you will have a bunch of options. You need to go with the cloud option. And here you will have an option of enable Steam Cloud. You need to go and enable that Steam Cloud. Make sure that it is turned on. If it doesn't fix your issue, even after turning this on, then I've got another method for you. You can go to the storage section, which is here on the left side, and then click on the three dots, which is on the right side, and hit repair folder or repair library. And finally, if this still doesn't work, then go to the download section, and here you will find clear cache under the downloads. Once you go with downloads, you will find an option of clear download cache right here. Go with clear cache, which is on the right side, and then click on confirm, and then it will shut down Steam and again reopen, and it might fix your problem. That's how you can fix your Steam Cloud Sync error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.